Hi, I'm Natalie Poindexter, Principal Consultant and founder of Authentic Inclusion Consulting. Authentic Inclusion Consulting is a disruptive consulting firm based in Austin, Texas, that offers a variety of different services from business development to strategic solutions. And I am here to talk to you today about grant writing and demystifying access to grant funding. In efforts to help you all with grant access and access to funding, we are introducing a logic model tool. And you might ask why, and that is because when you're developing your grant applications, you want to have a true understanding of what you're putting out there for the funder to see. As a disruptive consulting firm, our goal is to provide resources and tools to you so that you can be successful as a small business. And using this logic model tool, we've done something new, and we've introduced it with using Notion, which is an interactive Google Doc, so to speak. And when you get in there, you'll see there's different tiles and panels for you to use that will help you navigate completing a logic model. But the biggest reason to complete this is because when you're finishing your logic model, you'll be able to build out your budget. You'll have a justified reason why you need everything in your budget. You'll be able to build your evaluation plan, your project plan, and even understand how your outcomes are going to make a bigger impact for your community. One way I've used this before is helping an organization navigate how to introduce a new project or program into their organization. And it helped paint a bigger picture of what it was going to do, how it was going to get done, and what they needed to do to get there. When you open up the Logic Model Wiki from the link provided to you, this will be the homepage that you see with an explanation of what this Logic Model tool is, how to use it, and what the goal of having this will provide to you. On the left-hand side, you'll have additional resources that Authentic Inclusion Consulting is providing. This is anything related to our grant writing and technical writing resources, as well as additional ways to connect with us if there's anything that you need support with or questions in regards to using the site. This is an intranet version of what we're using as our wiki. So on the left-hand side, you have links that will take you directly to the different components inside of the wiki. However, you also have these beautiful tiles right here. And when you click before you get started, you will see high-level overview of what you should collect before you actually start working on your logic model. You can click back into the main page and look at any terms so that you understand what it means by inputs, outputs, activities, outcomes. All of that is explained right here. And then once you're ready, you can start learning how to actually use your logic model. And when you use the logic model, there are little pieces within here to say the different phases, the different parts that will be related back to the actual physical form of the logic model, as well as your high-level outcomes and what you should look like, what your logic model should look like once it's completed. And the final template, the final tool that you would use within here, the tile, is the logic model template itself. And you can go in here and you'll see that there is already an example of what this looks like when you have a completed line for your logic model. And once you have this completely filled out, what you will have is a completed resource to submit with your grant application. When I think of leveling the playing field for small businesses, as a local ally, our goal is to help you create sustainable impact for your business and organization. This logic model tool is just one of the many resources that we plan to provide as a local ally to the SBDA throughout this next few months. As grant writing and technical writing opportunities continue to come available for small businesses, we are here to support you and help make an impact.